I like less maintenance. I had the trees with the acorns and leaves. We'd have to mow and then weed eat around the pool. It was miserable to clean the pool after mowing and weed eating, and it was tough to get the mower all around the edges and the curves. The wife don't have to mow around the pool when I'm out of town. So that was my big reason, was less maintenance. Ston, he immediately contacted me. He came out, we talked about it, he took some measurements, kind of laid out a diagram of kind of what I was wanting. Right there, he had kind of the quote and price. Every question I had, he had an answer for. It wasn't pushy, no pressure. I got a couple bids and they were all pretty much close to one another. I liked Stom the best. He seemed like he was the most knowledgeable, and I was really impressed. I think there was 10 guys that were doing the job, and then JJ was the project manager that overseeing the guys. Really impressive how quick they worked, hard workers. Everything was real professional. I definitely would recommend 365 Turf.